back to my channel. I'm Brenda Romanowski. I'm thrilled to have you here today with me. If you're new to the channel, I'm a functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner, board certified holistic nutritionist, traditional naturopath, and I'm the owner of Monarch Natural Health. But most of all, I'm passionate for clean eating and holistic wellness. So today I'm excited to share something special with you, our upcoming 5-day clean eating challenge. Starting on April 1st, we're kicking off a 5-day journey to revitalize your health and radiate vitality through clean eating. So, that doesn't excite you? Let me share something with you. Did you know that spring is the perfect time for clean eating? It's a perfect time for a clean eating reset. As the seasons change, our bodies naturally crave lighter, fresher foods and begin to detoxify after the heavier, heartier meals of winter. And a lot of times we have a lot of toxins stored up. We haven't really been moving as much as in the winter because it's so cold out. And maybe we've eaten a little too many Christmas cookies, right? During spring, our bodies are primed to detoxify, and we want to shed toxins that are accumulated over the winter months. And by nourishing ourselves with nutrient-dense whole foods, we support this natural detox process. We boost our energy, our immunity, our overall well-being, our circulation, so much more. So, are you ready to harness the power of spring and give your body the fresh, clean start it deserves? If so, sign up for our free 5-day clean eating challenge. Let's kickstart your journey to a healthier, happier you. I'll put the link in the description. I cannot wait to see you there. Remember, health is wealth, and together we're going to thrive. Until next time, take care, eat clean, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.